Do you know that if we have some React application setup that has been installed using Create React App or Vite, how to get .env values? So inside this video topic, I will show you that if we have some React applications, that is by using Create React App command or using Vite, how to get .env values. So first thing first, this is my setup which has been installed using Create React App command. Let's go back to project terminal. I'll start development server by using command called npm start. And now as you can see, development server started. And here I have my landing page. Now let's go back to project editor. So at project root, I'll create a file that is .env. .env simply means that I'll go and create some environment variables. Now here we have some standard prefix that we have to add with each variable. So I want to create our first variable. So the standard prefix will be react underscore app. For example, I want to create a variable called API URL. So this is the variable name, complete variable name called React App, which is a standard prefix that we have to add, and the then variable name called API URL and the value. So for example, I want to create a dummy value. So let's say example.com/API. Now, whenever if you create any new variable or if you update any value to this .env, simply you have to restart your server. So let's go back to project terminal and again I will start, and after start, let's go back to our component file that is app.js. And here, if I want to access, let's after this image, let's add s3 tag. And here, to get the value of .env, simply it will be process .env .variable. So here we have React App API URL. So if I save these changes, now if I go here and now as you can see, example.com/API. Now this time I'll show you that if I have a React application that has been installed using Vite, how to get .env value. So at project root, let's create a file called .env, and inside this file I have a variable called Vite underscore API URL. So let me tell you that for any React application that has been installed using Vite, the prefix will be like a standard prefix will be called Vite underscore. So Vite underscore is the standard prefix, and then after the variable name called API URL. So then after, let's go into any of the components. So for the time being, I will open this app.jsx, and here, let's say that const API URL equals to, and this time we have some different approach to get our .env value. So it will be import dot meta dot env dot the variable name, and it will be Vite API URL. Now then after, let's copy this API URL, and maybe after this logo, let's add s3 tag, and here put that value. Now remember, we have created our new variable. Let's go and start development server. So it will be npm run dev started. So if I will open, and now as we can see, after this logo, now here we have the API URL.